Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. After discussing, after completing a chapters from geography part, political science part, now remaining other part of the subject, that is from history part. Let us begin our discussion or study. So before that, I would like to extend my appreciation for all the students, one who is taking active participation or active involvement in completing submitting assigned work by the subject teacher. So personally I appreciate, and moreover I suggest the people one who is still not coming forward for proving your completed work. So it's better you to take your active participation in knowing and learning, understanding the concept, so that you can feel easy to understand. So then now the part which I am going to start, it is from history with the heading Our Past Part 3. So from the same headings, we from 6th standard and 7th standard, we already familiar with the history and the different historical concepts which gives different kind of information in a different situation to us. Then before that, the subject, the topic of the chapter which we are going to discuss from the part, it is chapter number 1, how, when and where. How, when and where. So this is the chapter which takes us to the other chapter from the part to get ourselves better understanding and better information and better learning about the different concepts from the different chapters. Then, so in the beginning of the chapter, one common question is going to arise in the form of exclamatory. Exclamatory means the terms or the words which asks, which raises questionnaires: how, what, where, when, who, why. So these different kind of terms which we quote to ourselves in knowing the information, it makes us to go on collecting the information in deep and detail. So historians means the person one who is going to study about the events taken place in past. He is known as historian. Then the part or the subject which explains about the incidents or the events which are taken place once upon a time or in the past. It is history. So historians, they are fascinated, they are surprised, they are stunned, wondered about the dates. Because historians thought and believed that history is all about the different events, incidents which are associated with different person, different people, different events and different things. So when the historians tries to study about all these different things, events, places, person, he need to take the help of the dates. For example, the event which is taken place or which is taking place today, it is going to become history for tomorrow. So the person one who is trying to know about the incident which is taken place today, he need to know about putting himself the different exclamatory questions. What has taken, where it has taken, why it has taken, when it has taken, who took a part in the event. So when these different kind of questions we rise to know about the information, then one or the other way it help us to understand better when we take the consideration of time. For example, when we go on talking, speaking, explaining, expressing about the events which are taken, we oftenly use the two different terms in order to comparison from the one event to the other event. For example, we use the term before, we use the term after. For example, before the evaluation of man, evaluation means ಬದಲಾವಣೆ, ಪುನರುಜ್ಜೀವನ. So man used to like wild animal in the forest. After the invention of wheel, discovery of fire, and discovery of other changes in the life of the man made him to settle. So before and after, it makes us to compare from the two different events which are taken place in two different dates or times. That's what many times we oftenly think about the things which we use, which we observe in our surroundings. For example, I am having a pen. So pen is one such material which is used for writing purpose. So when I try my level best to understand, think about the pen with the help of exclamatory verbs or words, this pen itself makes us to think in detailed in different aspects. For example, who invented or who discovered pen? When did pen got invented? How pen got invented? So what are the different materials used for making the pen? Then when did man came to know about the concept of writing? So these are all the questions which makes us to understand better about one such thing, that is about pen. So in the similarly we can think about different these kind of questions, like when did man settle, or before settling, where man was living, how he was living, what he was eating, what was the staple food of man. So how man got changed his way of living. So when did agriculture started to practice? What were the simple tools and techniques that man used for carrying the agricultural activity? So for all these questions, when we think, it is going to give correct meaning or correct explanation or proper explanation only with the due support and importance of dates. That's why when historians writes about history, historians explains about the history, it is possible for a historian to explain correctly or clearly or specifically only with the due support and help of dates. For example, there was a time in the history. It's about the different accounts of battles, events, which are mainly fought by different king, different ruler, different empire and different person. For example, if we go on taking our involvement in studying about one such particular ruler or king, then from the date of his birth we go on collecting information like when the person was born, when the person completed his education, when the person got married, when the person got kids, when the person got involved in different battles, then which are the different battles that the person got involved or engaged, when the person got, when the king succeeded or he was declared from the throne or declared from the power, then who is the person one who succeeded to the throne. So all these kind of questions related to the history is concerned to the dates. That's why history is all about the dates. So with the dates, it makes historians and history to debate and accept and to make clear explanation and conclusion about the events. History is associated with the dates. That's why dates are important for the study of history. So with this we will end today's session, and we will continue our other part of discussion